Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can remove indicators from your charts on Etoro. To do so, first of all, just go into Google Chrome browser and log in into your Etoro account from etoro.com. After that, you'll be on this kind of screen. From here, go on to the discover option or search for the stocks or cryptos chart they want to see. If you go on to any of your charts or stocks, you can see a option like overview, chart, analyst, and many more. If you go onto the charts option, you can see that on your screen. Now you are able to see the chart of the particular stocks that you are in. Now to edit the chart and to add different kinds of indicators, you need simply go onto this bar graph type of icon. Tap on this and you'll be able to set any kind of indicators on your chart. Here I'm going to put accelerator oscillator. If you click on this, you can see that it has been added on my chart. Now if you want to remove it, you simply have to go on to the top of the chart and you can see these options. Simply click on the remove button and it will be removed from your chart. And that is how you can remove indicators from your chart. This was for this video, and I hope you guys found our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.